One of the worst culprits for high blood cholesterol is actually the artificial and trans fats. So these are the fats that you find in margarine, in microwave popcorn, in many cooking sprays, and in a lot of people's favorite treat foods like donuts and muffins and basically processed convenience foods. So check the label. If you see a high saturated fat, trans fat, or other artificial fats on there like vegetable oils, shortenings, canola oil, sunflower seed oil, soybean oil, these are the bad ones that you want to avoid when it comes to your blood cholesterol levels. So if you have a sweet tooth, you love baking, make it at home, use olive oil or coconut oil, which actually don't harm your cholesterol levels, they help to bring them down. So those are my top 3 tips for you today for reducing your high blood cholesterol, reducing your risk for heart attacks and strokes in 3 months or less in your 50s, 60s and 70s in a completely natural manner without dieting or giving up your favorite foods. My name's Anna, I'm founder of Homemade Method. If you enjoyed today's video, please like it, comment below on what you're gonna start first, and if you've already started these tips and seen results, comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Share this with all your friends who need to see it, and then stay tuned for my next video coming to you really soon. Bye now.